Beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to have a Pixi makeup transformation. It is going to be a soft glam, and you know how I guys do. I like to just teach you. I like to just go right in with the look and then talk about how the product is and whatnot. So if you are new to this channel, thank you for coming. Thank you for supporting me. And you can find me on I'm gonna put my Instagram handle down below and everything that I'll be using. We will be going on with our makeup transformation from this to I got my Pixi. To be going with our Pixi Love. Oh my god, I love this box. I love the way the packaging is. And this is what we got. We got our brushes in here, which I'm going to be using. And we got these two palettes. So I don't know yet what type of look I'm going to do, but I do know that I'm going to use both of them, I guess. Whichever color that I like. There was another video to this. So I hope that you guys watched it. And also see what I did with the eyeshadow with the package. So thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. Yeah, so continue to stay watching and let's get this started. This is the eyeshadow brushes. I love it. It's such a cute box. Okay, so we have 3 eyeshadow brushes, and this one is E01, and it's a flat brush. I'm pretty sure this is the flat shader brush. And then we have like a blending brush, which is the E02. I hope I'm right. And then we have like an under eye or inner corner eyeshadow brush, and it is the E03. It's so cute. I love the way the compact came with it. Thank you so much, Pixi. You guys know that I am forever grateful for everything that you guys give me, and I try to, you know, have out my beautiful Pixi products and try them out. And I have been loving the skincare. My skin has been awesome from the skincare, so that's why, you know, I just really love Pixi so much, because my skin has just stood like more flawless than ever. Okay, I just love the little, it's like when you have your glasses and you put it away, the little compact. And we're gonna have these 2 shadows. Okay, this one, these are called the Eye Reflection Shadow Palette. This one is Natural Beauty Palette, and this one is the Reflex Light Palette. And we're gonna do looks from these 2, and being that they have the names for each eyeshadow, I will let you guys know exactly eyeshadows that I'm gonna be using for this look down below. Like I said before, I like to just go in with the look and then talk about the product afterwards. So if you stay along that long, thank you so much. I am forever grateful, and I can't wait to see you in the next tutorial.
Chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so when there's no hope loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't.
I guess it's gonna rain again.
Because I never know when I'm.
Everybody's talking to me.
Sorry.
Gee,
Sorry. We forgot about you back there.
forgot about me with
Sorry.
my big mouth. When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so
Glow Cake in Pink Champagne. This is the back of it. And this is the front of it. It's so beautiful. So natural, so radiant. So you need it. Thank you so much, Pixi, for always sending me the best of the best. And I absolutely love y'all. I'm just gonna pounce, not even like go in, but I'm just gonna like pounce up this look a little. Okay. I'm gonna go in because I don't have a glow. Pixi, I need that. I need a highlighter. I don't have the highlighter yet from Pixi. So I'm just gonna go in with my Physician Bright formula. This is the butter one. It's called Muro butter highlighter. Oh, and champagne. Champagne, I mean. Yeah, champagne. The butter highlighter and champagne. So, with the same blush brush, I'm just gonna tap it like this, and then just use like a little of the edge of it, and lightly sweep it. It looks inside. I didn't get to show you guys how beautiful it looks. And yep, that's the highlighter we're using. Now we're gonna go in with our Pixi Orange Red lip. The final look. Now I wanted to test out these beautiful foil eyeshadows. Like, guys, this is so the formula is very buttery, creamy, very pigmented. This is the palette, this is the eye reflection palette in Reflex Light. So right here we have gold foil, nude lustre, and vanilla glitz. So just from these three, I'm going to swatch, and I'm going to tell you guys, well, not tell you, but actually show you guys how they swatch, just in case for future reference. If you're thinking about getting one of these, believe me, this, you would want it in your kit, especially for brides. I feel like this is such a beautiful to-go bride palette, and this could be easily good in your makeup artist kit. So this is going to be gold foil, as you can see right here. That's how it looks, and I'm gonna swatch it on my arm without any primer or spray or anything. I'm just swatching it on, and I will show you when I'm done. Now I'm doing on the next color, which is Nude Lustre. And then the next one I'm gonna do is Vanilla Glitz, which is more like a yellow gold. This is the Vanilla Glitz that I feel like it's more like a gold yellow. And here are my swatches. If you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm trying to show you guys how it looks. And I absolutely love it. This comes with about like 24 shades you will get, and I absolutely just love them. This was the Reflex Light palette, and the ones that I used for my eyes was this palette. The Natural Beauty palette. Oh my gosh, guys. So for my crease, I ended up using this shade right here, which is Petal. And then I used several brown mattes just to give it a more dimension. If you can see, nothing too crazy, but the dimensions are there. And I went in with Deep Taupe. I've used Soft Brown. I've used Bronze Glam. And I used Cocoa Shimmer. And these browns are so beautiful and natural and neutral, and they honestly work for any event. If you have an event to go to, a beauty event, if you have to go to a wedding event, baby shower, like guys, take a look. Come on. Look how beautiful these shades are. Let alone their brushes worked very well. I like the way why I can't talk? I like the way the blended. It did its job. It blended out my shadow. I've used this one for an under eye just to give it that exact control, because sometimes it could get a lot of dark and I didn't want that. Like a lot of dark just swifts away and I hate taking it out, so I just rather use a right utensil, well, makeup brush to use for the under eye. And yeah, basically I love the formula. Usually I say cash it or pass it, and here I'm definitely gonna say cash it because these are beautiful pigments. Let alone their blush palette. It's a Pixi Glow Kate Illuminous. It's a 3-in-1 Illuminous Transition Powder, and I love it. I feel like it just gives the right glow. If you know, just blending it all in there. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked this Pixi makeup transformation. Thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I can't wait to see you beauties on the next tutorial. Bye.